Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Venmo for contractor reimbursements, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start using Venmo for contractor reimbursements, you'll first need to download the Venmo app from your device's app store. Open the app and tap on sign up if you do not already have an account. You will be prompted to enter your mobile phone number or email address to create an account. Next, choose a secure password for your Venmo account. Once you've entered your information, check your email or phone for a verification code sent by Venmo. Enter the verification code in the app to proceed with your account setup. Now, provide the necessary personal information, including your full name and bank account details. Link your bank account or credit card to your Venmo account for easy fund transfers. To verify your bank account, Venmo may temporarily deposit small amounts into it. Once you see these deposits, return to the Venmo app and enter the amounts to confirm ownership of the account. After your bank account is verified, navigate to the settings by tapping on your profile icon. Ensure that your privacy settings are correctly set based on your preferences. Next, if you plan to receive payments, you can share your Venmo username with your contractors. When you're ready to reimburse, open the app and select the Pay button. Enter your contractor's username or scan their Venmo code to locate their account. Input the amount you wish to reimburse in the provided field. Lastly, add a note indicating the reason for the payment, such as contractor reimbursement. Review your transaction details and tap Pay to complete the reimbursement process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.